Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be throwing some mathematical operators into a tier list for all you nerds out there. So starting off first, you've just got your standard tilde, which means, it can mean approximately or it can mean not if you're in logic. It kind of depends. It's kind of silly, I think. Not a huge fan of it. I'm gonna go put it in the B category. Next we've got the direct sum, and up after this one we've got the normal sum, and this one's just a fancier, more useless version of the normal one. It's like used in abstract algebra and shit. It's not that cool. We're starting off with two C's. I mean, you gotta throw it's just addition, isn't it? It's a pretty great operation. Allows you to do a lot of funky things. The plus or minus symbol, pretty stupid, and I hate it. The delta symbol, used in physics a lot, pretty cool. I'm a fan. It's also fun to draw. I like triangles. So we'll go ahead and put it there. Then we have like the much greater than and much less than symbols. Both I think are a little bit redundant when you could just use the normal ones. And I know they have more meanings than that, but I think they're both a little bit silly. But considering that I'm so great, we're going to put the greater one above the less than one. Just cause we've got the subset symbol. I think all set theory stuff is a bunch of crap. So we're gonna go ahead and put the subset one here in D. I had to Google up here what one of those was. But this is the integral symbol that they use in complex analysis sometimes to denote an integral over a closed line and whatnot. It's used in some formulas in complex analysis as well. It's pretty cool though. It looks pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of one of those music notes, the treble clef thing, but I kind of like it. I think it's fun to draw. So we're gonna go put it B category right up here with the delta. More set theory crap. So this, I know it has other uses, but I've only used it in physics as cross product. So I don't like cross product. I'm gonna put it in C. More set theory. Next we got the modular operator, which is a crackpot operation only used by computer scientists and coders. I'm reserving this last line for things that are really stupid and set theory. So I have to go ahead and put that one there. More set theory. The greater than and less than signs. I mean, they're just, you know what? I'm not that cool. We're gonna throw these up there. They're both in the same category, I think. I don't know why this one's got a different line. I guess they couldn't find a picture with that one. Next we've got the intersection sign. That's in set theory. Now I don't know what this next one is. I don't know if it's supposed to denote O as a function or what. There's another one down here too, and I don't know the difference, but I like the function notation a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that one in the S tier. I think it's our first S one. Next we've got these arrows, which do what the fuck arrows do, and I think for that reason they go in the A tier. Especially this one. I think this one's got some artistic class to it. It really represents how fluid society is right now, and how many people can really just... Never mind. This, I don't know if it's supposed to be... I'm assuming it's supposed to be the multiplication operator. I don't know why they didn't. Well, but then they have this x here too. So I don't know if this is it's definitely not a decimal point. There's no way it's a decimal point. So I'm going to go ahead and say both of these are the multiplication operator. But this one requires less work. So I'm going to go, this one's you stop using after like, I don't know, preschool. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one in there. I don't really like it. It kind of sucks. Next up we've got differentiation. And differentiation is just a lot of fun, man. Pretty useful stuff too. We'll just throw it in the, I don't know, is it better than the left arrow or not? I don't think it's better than the left arrow. We have the product operator next. This is the one I had to Google, because I haven't personally ran into anything denoted like this. I think it's a little bit silly. I like lowercase pi better. Set theory. No. You know what? It's only a kind of set theory. That one's used more and not just set theory. Union set theory. Summations, that's an S tier. That's S tier right there. What a great operator. Or operation, I guess. I don't really know which one it would be. But tons of cool stuff, you know. Calc 2 is great. Right in there, same. The exponential operator, I mean, it's kind of annoying, isn't it? Let me just have standard greater than. I think they've got to go. Hold on, let's put them in there with their parents there. The subtraction operator, not quite as cool as the addition operator, I don't think. Because, you know, you can just add negative numbers. You get subtraction, so. Kind of stupid. The del operator, I think it's used to like signify when an outcome will give you a vector in physics or something. I think it's kind of stupid because I just use the arrows. Yeah, fuck it. This is just as bad as all that set theory shit. The equals sign, I mean, it's goated, isn't it? You only use it once you've gotten the answer. So, I mean, it's a great symbol. The factorial sign, it's pretty funky. Pretty funky. Not all that cool or useful. Pretty funky. And I think this one's supposed to be division. I think that's supposed to be a division bar, and the dots on top represent things. I'm not 100% sure, but they didn't put a division sign in here. So I think it is. And I think this one's got to be. I mean, fractions just suck, don't they? Fractions really suck. We got this straight line next. I don't know if this is used to sometimes when you integrate, use it to tell you what the function would be evaluated at before you plug back in the fundamental theorems. But I don't know, it's pretty easy to draw. It's just a straight line, isn't it? So, actually, let's throw it down here. I mean, it is just the same thing as a plus, but with another one, you know, so. And then finally, I'm not doing these last four because I don't know what some of them are. Then up next we have the integration. Just the best operator, really. So fun, so interesting. It's just the best. Then you have this. I don't really know what it is. It's probably set theory though. That's also set theory. I don't know what the difference between this one and what up here is. And then this, probably also set theory, so I'll put it down. You know, this is probably set theory too. Alright, there you go. There's my list. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. What's this ad up here? Oh, wow. Anyways, have a good day, everybody.